quite informative. Learned a lot. I think people are enjoying it. That's why full of crowd over here. The moderator always comes and asks different kind of questions which address a lot of queries of the audience what they want to ask, and you guys are giving a lot of time to the audience also to ask their queries. So this is great. This is going good. Nobody was there in this field in India, and since last 2 years you guys are putting a lot of efforts and had done great job till now, because finding a right manufacturer is tough job, and there are good manufacturers but they don't know whom to sell. So this is the platform where they interact with each other and two good people meets. So this is the very nice platform where this is happening, and I believe that in coming years it is going to be bigger and bigger.